Have you ever seen a snake eat something way bigger than itself? Like a snake swallowing a whole deer. How does that even fit in its body? The secret is in its super flexible jaw. Unlike us, snakes don't have a connected lower jaw. They can open their mouths up to 150 degrees, and their jawbones can move independently left and right. That's how snakes can eat prey 3 to 4 times bigger than their heads. And after that, they just chill for weeks, waiting to digest. Snake be like, one meal, full for a month. Not bad, huh?